Now grab it with your fingers and turn it out. Okay. I'm going to pull the cover off. Alright, now we'll take the outlet out. Pull it out, then it's out. Can you pull it all the way out? Alright, now do the top one.
For a second.
No, it's out. Do the top one now. Okay, it's out. Now just pull the whole outlet out. Just pull it out. Alright. Now we'll start changing it. That one's straight already. I need this one straightened. Leave that one alone. Make that one straight. No, grab that and spin it.
Where?
The screwdriver right here.
Oh.
Turn it the other way. That a girl.
Oh my god.
All right, that's good. That's tight enough.
This is good.